loves, it's Lacey and welcome back to our space. So about a week ago, myself and 3 other lovely ladies here on YouTube put out a open invitation to a collaboration that we're doing. It is the Container Gardening Challenge. So technically it's a challenge. It was the brainchild of Denise Jordan over at This and That with Denise Jordan. And she invited myself along with Jessica over at Measure and Mix and my sister Chrissy over at Hostedbykrssie to help her host this challenge. And what she asked us all to do is get a container and fill it with live, real flowers or vegetables or herbs or anything you wanted to, as long as it was real plants for your outdoors spring summer season. And I thought this is a great idea. I love to garden. My sister, I know she loves to garden. I'm pretty sure that Jessica loves to garden too. So I was on board all the way. And I asked you guys to put on your thinking caps and maybe think outside the box a little and see what you could come up with. And that's what I was trying to do. You guys all know I'm extra. And so I had a theme going on that I'm still not done with because life gets in the way sometimes, you know. We had some unforeseen circumstances. My poor Chad ended up getting a injury. He had a closed head injury, but he's doing fine. I just had to keep him under concussion precautions for a while. So I was a little bit, you know, out of sorts when I was trying to get this challenge put together, but I did come up with some cool things to plant with, and let me show you a couple of them right now. First, I went to the thrift store because we all know I love to thrift, and I found this gorgeous picnic basket. It was only $4, $4.99 at the thrift store, and I love the inside. It is blue gingham, and I just thought this would be perfect to use as a container to plant flowers in. Now it is broken at the top. That's probably why they got rid of it for the picnic basket. The top of it will lift up in a spot, but I kind of just glued it back down and it will work as a picnic basket again, but we already have a picnic basket. So I am going to put this together, and I did, because it is really nice, really pretty inside, pick up a couple of planter boxes from the Dollar Tree so that I can put them in so I don't mess up the inside. So this is the first container we're going to use. And then I ended up finding this beautiful yellow little tricycle that has 2 planters on it. So these are 2 of the pieces that I'm going to be using for this challenge, and let me show you the florals that I got. Okay, here are all the plants that I picked up for this challenge. Over here I have some spikes. I have 2 green ones and then a gorgeous red one in the back there. I have some dahlias, some geraniums. I have solid pink. It's kind of a fuchsia, and then a variegated pink that's really pretty there in the back. I have a few Dusty Miller and some white rambling petunias. These are the ones that will crawl across the ground. Then down here I have some pink impatiens, some light pink petunias, some purple petunias, some yellow snapdragons, some pink snapdragons, some alyssum in white and in purple. I also have some of these beautiful purple little flowers. I think it's called lobelia. I really like it for a filler. Then over here I have licorice plug and then some succulents. Now I picked pretty much all of this because it's hardy in this area and I do not want anything to die on me. We still get cold at night, so I'm hoping all of this survives. But I absolutely love these succulents. I have chicks and hens. This one here I have is called Angelina. It hangs down with the yellow tips. And in the back I have some dragon's blood. And I'm not sure if I'm going to use everything, but we'll see how they turn out. Okay, for the picnic basket, what I've decided to do is align it with a heavy duty garbage bag. This is a contractor bag that I have from Home Depot, and I simply hot glued the edges around to hold it into place because the planter that I wanted to put in here to hold the dirt wasn't big enough to hold very many plants. Now I'm also going to line the bottom with some rocks that I got. Some are from Home Depot, some are from Walmart, in order to give drainage to the plants when I put the dirt. Okay, here are my final projects, and I have to say I am in love with them pretty much equally. My tricycle is stuffed full with these succulents, and I think it turned out really well. I did plant all the succulents in separate pots and just place them in there in order to make sure that the tricycle stays nice and clean and I can use it for years to come. And then here on my picnic basket, I stuffed it full. Both sides are identical because I love symmetry when it comes to things like this. And let's get closer so I can show you exactly what's inside. On either side in the back, I have placed one of the tall green spikes, and then I placed in the variegated hot pink geraniums. Next to that, on either side, I have white petunias and the purple lobelia. I'm not sure that's how you pronounce it, but it's the beautiful little purple flowers on either side of that. Then I also have some purple petunias, some yellow snapdragons, some hot pink impatiens, and some variegated purple and white alyssum. I think this is a perfect mixture of plants, and all of them except for the impatiens take full sun. So this is going to be sitting out by my front porch area, and I think the impatiens will do just fine because these are the ones that can take partial sun, and I will see how it ends up at the end of the year, but I think they'll do just fine. I love the blue and white gingham in the back on this, and I just think it is darn cute. I did take some Miracle Glow to all of my plants with the water to ensure that they have a healthy start here, and I cannot wait to add other container gardening pieces to this collection because I do have a couple of baskets and one other thing to kind of go with the picnic theme that I will be sharing with you guys in my front porch tour later on this year. I want to thank Denise for putting this together, and I want to thank Jessica and Chrissy for co-hosting along with me. I will include all of their channels down in the description box below, along with the playlist of all of the other participants in this challenge. Also, I want to thank you guys so much for watching, for liking, and always sharing my videos. And if you're not a member here at Lacee Space yet, I don't know why not. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We have a lot of fun here. Come and hang out with us. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. It's this Lacee Space, the same way that it is spelled here. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.